Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a new video. In today's tutorial I will be showing you how to use Bluestack. Basically Bluestack is literally a phone simulator on your PC. So you can find there like an Android phone, there is a Google App Store. You can find like games that are only on phone, etc. And it's really good if you don't have a phone. So let's say for example you go here to Google and let's download Bluestack. First of all, you must know that there is three versions, I think, or two versions of Bluestack, which are the Bluestack X, which is the 10th version, and the Bluestack 5. So in this tutorial we will just download the Bluestack 10. So after we download it, basically it will be installed directly in your PC in like a few seconds, and right after that happens we will open it and start installing it on our PC. So basically we click on update if you have if you don't have it. If you have it already, you click on update. If you don't have it, you click on install. So for me, I have it already, so I will click on update. So it will update my Bluestack 5 into Bluestack 10. So now it will start updating. And yeah, basically guys, it's pretty simple. The platform, which is Bluestack, it's pretty so simple. You just have to go through it like a phone. Just you are opening a phone inside your PC, as simple as that. So you can find there like simple games like Clash of Clans, Clash Royale, Flappy Birds, Subway Surfers, and much more games that are like normally they are only on phone. You can't really have them on PC, but using this application or this simulator will actually give you the access to have them on your PC. So basically after you install it, you will play on cloud. So basically after you install it, you will just create your account on Google, and that's it. That's all they will ask you for, and you can start using it as a phone, like you have a phone in your PC. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.